Material and consciousness energy is the most valuable type of currency and is used as a medium of exchange by more advanced cultures than what we have currently inherited through the dark age of the D.N.A invasion. One should be aware that on many other planets monetary systems such as ours do not exist. For the invading species to continue to access the planetary consciousness energy supply without further resistance, humanity has been groomed to ignore genetics and consciousness access as a valuable currency and to focus instead only on an imaginary money supply that is completely controlled and manipulated. Humans are taught to worship a money supply as their primary identification with material success, power, and personal fulfillment, as this mind control program to seek power through money has been explicitly designed by the controllers as a hidden enslavement tool.
Imaginary, like them 4
Off-planet,
steps.
accessing consciousness energy and sentient intelligence is the highly valued currency, prized by many extra-dimensional species as a medium of exchange and for generating intelligence for their virtual reality systems. Thus, by having free access to massive amounts of genetic material and consciousness energy produced by someone or something else, this gives an incredible amount of power to those controlling entities who are reaping the benefits of harvesting that energy from others. This model is surfacing in the mainstream through the advertising of the popular personal genomic companies that use genotyping for their D.N.A tests, which are now offered to consumers that want to know about their ancestry. Most people do not realize the potential billions of dollars these companies make on the D.N.A catalogs, which people taking these tests are giving them easy access to. They partner with major biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies to effectively monetize human DNA under the research and development label, which is actually used primarily for nefarious purposes. Digital currency companies that offer a consumer the ability to sequence their own DNA through genetic testing are then be able to monetize it by selling the information to a collection of data buyers via cryptocurrency, and these are beginning right now. If we can sell our own sequenced DNA for a profit to an enthusiastic buyer for cryptocurrency, we should stop to reflect on the real purpose behind this agenda.
For cryptocurrency.
Why would they want the intimate details of our consciousness history that is recorded in our sequenced DNA, exchange it for cryptocurrency, and then hand it over to an anonymous corporation in order to control it? Sequencing of human genomes is an unfathomable area of massive profits, translatable into any marketable currency. It is also used for gaining control over consciousness energy and exposes yet another layer to the black hole entities' agenda that want direct access to fully sequenced genomes in the mass population.
Our blood is
Remember that the type of DNA sequence that a human being has is responsible for the level of consciousness they have, as well as the level of access they have to move through stargates and portal systems on the Earth. DNA holds the consciousness record in a natural bio-spiritual internet and holds the dimensional keys in the timelines that unlock dimensional doorways throughout the time matrix. References.
Pay attention. Oh my